Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by aligning your body and fingers so typing becomes efficient. Place your feet flat and sit up. The monitor should be at eye level to reduce neck strain. Once done, set your index fingers on F and J and feel the bumps. Thumbs rest on space. Make sure your wrists float above the keyboard with about a half-inch gap so keys press with finger joints, not wrist force. This foundation speeds learning and prevents fatigue as you move to deliberate keystrokes. You now distribute responsibility across fingers, so every key has an assigned finger. This eliminates inefficient pecking. Begin slow, type sequences that force middle and ring fingers to work, then practice common pairs like HG and TF to smooth transitions. Once done, use timed drills, 10 minutes of focused repetition, 2 to 3 times a day, so motor patterns form. Make sure to keep accuracy above speed. Gradual increase. You finish by refining rhythm and troubleshooting problems to make this the only way you type. Begin timing practice with a realistic target and only push speed after maintaining about 90% accuracy. This preserves accuracy under pressure. Once done, incorporate micro breaks, 5 minutes every 30, to relax muscles and prevent sloppy keystrokes. If mistakes persist, make one change at a time. Adjust keyboard angle, remap a troublesome key, or slow tempo. That single targeted tweak usually fixes systematic errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.